Welcome back to Crypto Today, Everything Decentralized. The purpose of this video is to give you guys an opportunity to earn free stellar lumens on Coinbase Earn. If you use Coinbase, you would just use your normal Coinbase login information. Things to note, however, is that while anyone can view the videos and learn about the cryptocurrencies that they have out there, not everyone can actually take a one question quiz to earn cryptocurrencies for watching that video or for learning. That is sent after you earn it. It is sent straight to your Coinbase account, so you don't need to do anything after you actually earn it. And then after that, you can pretty much do whatever you want with it. You can send your stellar to Binance, exchange it, and maybe trade it for another crypto or do whatever you want with it, basically. Anyhow, I have up to 3 slots of 3 people I can actually invite to earn stellar lumens on Coinbase Earn. So, and keep in mind that it's a first come first serve basis. So there's 3 slots left, and I will be leaving the link in the description. So just click on the link, and it should take you there. Log in, and then start watching the videos. Answer one question, and then you earn money. I believe you get up to $10. You watch 5 videos, one question each, so you get $10. And then after that, if you invite 4 people, then you get $10 for each person that goes and earns money through this. And keep in mind, it's pretty much free money, so why not? So I just wanted to bring that out for you guys, so you guys can have the opportunity. As people that support my channel, I kind of feel like this is a good way to give back in a sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one.